In this video from Device Doctor, we are facing error code E000001-0001 on the Canon imageRUNNER Advance 4035i. Now I will show you how to fix this problem step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This happens when the fusing unit or temperature sensors do not function properly. The sensors may misread the heat, or the fuser may not reach the correct temperature. Now, carefully look at which button needs to be pressed. It's very easy, so just follow along step by step. Click on the mode list. Click on the Copier. Click on the function. Click on the Clear. Click on Error and then press OK. Click on Error Hist and then press OK. Now turn off the printer once and wait until it is completely powered off. Now turn the printer back on and wait until it becomes ready. The printer is now ready and the error is no longer appearing. To make sure everything is working properly, we will perform a test print. Now the printer is working normally, and the issue has been successfully resolved. In this video, we identified the problem and fixed it step by step using a simple method. Always make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid errors. For more practical printer tutorials and troubleshooting guides, stay tuned with Device Doctor.